Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to forecast in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first we need to go to setup. So from here we need to click on the setup, and after that we simply need to search for forecast. So basically here we will find the forecast setting. And basically the first step here is to enable the forecasting. So I'm just going to make it active, and let's wait for the forecast to load. So now as we can see, the forecast has been enabled, and now we can start using the forecast. So as you can see, the available forecast type here is the opportunity, and it is on the object opportunity, and it measures the amount, and you can also group it by something. So let's, for example, edit the this, or we can simply start creating our forecast type. So let's suppose that we want to forecast some leads or anything else. So let's just go back. So just we have our forecast truly loaded, and as you can see, it has been added these forecast quotas that you can start adding by showing the quota or defining the quotas. So now we can create a forecast type by clicking on create here, and we can start using from the object or from the wizard. So here you will be able to choose any type of object you want to measure something, either quantity or total price. You can also group a forecast by product family, and then you can select also the date type that you want, like close date or the date of and you can also choose hierarchy. You add the fields, and of course you want to do some evaluation or comparison, and I'm just going to click on next. You give it just some name here, and I'm just going to click next and save, and now we have simply created our forecast type. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.